Hey guys, sorry for the background noise. I'm gonna so I just want to give a quick update on my dolls. I change them every morning. So Montana got Mary Ellen's outfit. Mary Ellen has Brielle, Juliet's not her. That's Sage. And then that's Sage. That's Juliet. The other one next to Sage. This is Juliet. So I changed Kiana, and then Kiana is in other outfit. Also, I also want to say I ordered a Bitty Baby, and it came like really fast. It came really fast. The Bitty Baby came really fast. So I really like that, and I was really excited. But the thing is that the Bitty Baby wasn't actually a Bitty Baby. So Montana's carrying this Bitty Baby. Well, Bitty Baby. You guys might say, ignore this. You guys might say, did you order it from the American Girl website? I didn't order it from there. I was about to, but I couldn't find the site. Sorry for the background noise. I couldn't find the site, the American Girl doll site, so I ordered a blonde Bitty Baby, and this is what came out. This is when I opened it. This time I didn't have a YouTube channel, but I didn't notify you guys on this. I'm not saying to not buy Bitty Babies from American Girl's website, but I'm saying to be very careful on online, because this happens. That. And I got this, which I was ordering a blonde, and look at that. That's just. And I also ordered a another package. Also ordered another package from. I also ordered another package from Etsy. Etsy had like a limited time sale for like a day for some reason for Bitty Babies, not for American Girl. I tried to get slime from her, but I didn't. But so I got another go here because it's not comfortable. Another Bitty Baby thing, like I ordered something for the Bitty Baby, and I didn't quite open it because I forgot all of it because my slime package, and then my Justice package, and then I forgot about that. So I never opened it, and we organize everything like around the room. So I have no idea where the package is. So I have like a whole book where everything I ordered. So it's like a binder. So this is like the binder. I have like this on it for some reason, but I have some of the things. I've written down some things that I just wrote down the package that I got. All the package stuff I got, but oh my gosh, I wrote that down. So would go through the receipt, but it didn't. I'm gonna try to find it somewhere here because sometimes I leave all my package things in here. Guys, I couldn't find the package, which is kind of sad because I paid like $60 on that bitty baby. It was like a little crib for the bitty baby, and Etsy told me it's going to be. Etsy told me it's the bitty baby and the bitty baby and the crib is going to be come together because the other person that I ordered, they were working together for the bitty baby stuff for a limited time, so they got that. Also, I ordered something for my dogs from Justice for your girl doll. I ordered something and it came from the package, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's really cute. You could use this for travel and stuff. Just like that. It's really cute. I'm also thinking to get a little house for my dogs and an American Girl doll house too. And I could get the horse stable and stuff. Okay, let me get the other stuff. Okay, guys, so it's in this bag. I love this bag. This bag is like the tops. I just love this bag. It's amazing. This is a heart from Justice. This is from Justice. This is also from Justice. I ordered it from the Justice thing. I didn't. At least I didn't get tricked again like the last time. But yeah, you guys watch my videos, you know that I got tricked by the Justice lady. She told me that she wanted. I ordered 2 things, and she ordered 1 thing that I already have. I sent her photos of what clothes I already have, so she won't make a mistake. But she did, so now I have 2, and I have no refunds, so that really sucks. But anyways. And then it has like a pocket here. This doesn't have a pocket, it's just this, but this has really wide space, so that's good. Put like their leash and stuff in here, or like their cute sunglasses or accessories for them in there. This time when I got this is like really old, and when I got this one, they didn't have. I got this from a long time ago, like maybe a month ago. I ordered this a month ago, and it ordered maybe a month ago, I don't know. And it just got it today. It's weird. Also, I put it in this. It's really cute. I love this one. It's just my favorite. I got this from Justice a long time ago. I never used it, so I decided to use it for I used it for their leashes. So, woo, tangled leashes. This is 9 minutes and 34 seconds. Oh, I just okay. So, Penny's is really old. And then this is Penny's. And then this is Coco, my horse. I don't actually have a horse. It's been 10 minutes. Oh my gosh. It takes so long. Okay, so I just want to give an update on the stuff, just random things, because, you know, that's me. Also, I went to get the board game Life. So, thanks, Justice, for all the things you gave me. It's been, even though it's been a month, and I got that other one, which is really old, and that time it didn't have a lot of accessories, but I got that, and then a month later, which is August, I got the other one, and they received at the same time, so that was kind of good. It was good. I'm also gonna make another video of another package of the back to school section, the back to school things for my dolls, my dolls. And yeah, thanks for watching. I just want to give an update on basically everything. Also, my slime. Let's do that. Guys, I did how to make your slime smell good, and I don't know how it turned out. I don't know. Okay. My slime. Let's see if it smells good. Okay. It's starting to... Okay. Guys, I don't know if this is like starting to turn to putty or something, but I know it's slime putty, and the other video I said it was putty. It was like kind of putty-ish, which is weird, but then the last time I played with it, after the video, I was making another video, but I didn't. But after I made this, I did this, and it's like was slimy. Don't put too much perfume or lotion on it, because it's going to get stuck together. Jeez. I'm gonna order another slime, so I'm gonna order a blue one or a green one, because I can't do this. But anyways, it's been 13 minutes. I'm gonna be doing another video, stay tuned to that. And yeah, thanks for watching. And remember, you're more than one kind. Bye!